And now we are on to our main event of the evening. It is a singles match and it is scheduled for one fall with TV time remaining. And his opponent.
Is he here?
Who is Leary. Yes, Leary. Literally. He's the best wrestler. Yourself included. No. Anyway, let's get going. I have to go though. I mean, we're all very familiar with Sawdust. Someone has out there to name for himself. Has that big match coming up in the Worcester. Yes, I'm super excited for him and Big Red and LJ. They have all worked their butts off in order to get that opportunity.
Literally!
And then that should tell you what match. Oh. Okay. That's okay. Cool. Very gifted young athlete is Leary. Sawdust, one of the most seasoned veterans. Absolutely. Just look at how he takes control of that. So many times I call him, unfortunately. That headlock has always been just winds on a button is wrong. Yeah, it sucks. It does. I really want to be. Leary to have one earlier was like that. That's what they're telling me here at commentary. Now switch up to a front chin lock of the sword. Looks like he's going to get suplex. Oh! You mean the long one? That is so He is a big brutish individual. Yeah, look at that. Hey, show off the muscles, baby. Yeah, I see you trying to flex right there. You just flex the muscle. In a chin lock. Yes. That's sexy. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, nice little half. himself. Back here.
This your guy right here?
Yeah, we love Sawdust.
He sucks! He sucks! Literally! You see him? He's on the ground right now!
Literally trying to maintain control. You meant to say? That wasn't what I say. You slipped one past the big brain. Good job. He's got to land that kick next time. But it was effective nonetheless.
Is this your guy right here? Yes! See like these shots! When I say shot, you say literally shot! When I say chop, you say literally chop!
I guarantee you Brett Leary's chest is on fire right now. Oh, absolutely.
Chop! Chop!
Absolutely. Sawdust is hitting me with a chop. Coming from a lumberjack. Oh, absolutely. You see jars of sawdust. Those are the sawdust from the wood that he chops. From his forest. From the woodshed. That's your the big suplex from the yes. Hey. Oh, and you said it's over.
You got a 66 and 2/3 tail!
Camel clutch, Steiner recliner, whatever you want to call it.
I thought you was like Sawdust!
Yes, that's a thing right now.
Y'all are pathetic! Just like him!
No, you.
There you are, come on.
Oh, he's got the free hands.
Stupid!
Sawdust.
Literally! All of you!
No, that was only a 2. If you saw the match with Shakes and Gunther, that's a 2. That doesn't count. Okay, I think. I know what I saw.
Come on!
Sawdust just needs to find a way to get out of this camel clutch. It's taking so much out of the
Knock it up!
You can't take much more. No, you can't. No,
Because if you're that shot, you're not going to be able to
But
carry up
if
the
you're a
ball.
lumberjack like Sawdust, out of it. But it looks like that Larry just took off for whatever reason. Now, Larry,
What can he get?
It's over!
just
He says it's over.
says it's over, but he's giving Sawdust too much time. Will it come back behind him? And it does! Flapjack from Sawdust to Brett Larry. Leary, I apologize. Literally
It's
Leary.
Irish!
But I will say, Sawdust tends to serve up more flapjacks in the international house of pancakes. It's not looking good for the left ear.
Not looking for Brett Leary. Larry. Got you.
Larry!
Sawdust.
Trying to get the crowd back behind him. Sawdust mentioned his opponent, Brett Leary.
like, God's got a lot of heart, that's for sure. Even though he is literal.
Starting to get even more behind Sawdust. Usually, when the crowd gets behind the lumberjack, there's no here.
Leary.
Looking for a position of flat is on. Oh, goodness.
Just a little further. You like someone's the same thing as I did. I'm thinking about that. Oh, roll over to the back. Oh, no. I have